We're all going to come back diseased.
Do you see the boy with corpses hanging from the tree?
Oh god. I'm totally not gonna die.
I'm so sorry to do this. Yeah, they'd come back.
They're hanging
They're dead.
from the tree.
And they're undead.
They're gone.
I've said
We all go!
No? Can I grab hold of you?
Just don't jam them. It's okay to put them down. It's okay to just lay them down, but don't jam them.
Knock back. Knock back. I got you, Scamp.
Morgan just shouldered me. Harry with him chest. Oh, shit.
That's all right.
This one is hanging from the tree, swinging back, and then forwards again.
You're making it work!
Knock back.
Silver! Silver! It's not working. Then get the branch.
Don't kill the corpse.
I know he's on drugs, but because he's still well still, maybe which one's he doing it? I think so. That's the thing that lets you in. Is anyone else going in? I was hoping.
I'm fine with that result.
Logan, I've got the key to the door now. Can you open it and get more in? That gets people in.
Come on, mate.
Strike free.
We all...
you need it. You need it
Problem is that when the shove
Yes.
Data. Mass, was it poison and... Resist poison. Everybody should be trying to go to these ladies and drink as much as possible. I'll take some of
Let's take the poison.
Gator.
Go and get some
Gator. Does that count me with the purity surgery?
It does.
Oh, okay.
I don't... Data.
I don't know it like that.
Do you need it now?
They need a strand of hair.
Enjoy it. Didn't say your hair.
No, it has to be yours.
Drink that. The next.
Whoever drinks it has to be their hair.
Just pluck one.
I will.
Consistent rules from 5 minutes ago.
Is it anyone's hair?
It needs to be yours. Whoever can drink it needs it.
I was drinking a potion.
Cough it up. Don't swallow it down again because it's potion. But, you know, get it out of your lungs and into your tummy.
It still works in there, right? It still works in my lungs, right?
Probably, but you need the lungs to breathe.
Oh yes, you got it.
Oh, thank you.
No, I'm not fighting. It works. I'm not fighting.
I sort of would like to go into some curious, but I'm not going in.
Actually, Eddie said he was going in as long as... Eddie did say he was going in if Tom was there, to be fair.
I know, but no,
And Tom went in.
No, he says that he's no use.
He's no use.
A load of them go in.
I mean, is that enough fighters? Have they got any healers?
They've got what?
They had Tom.
Do you want to go in? I'll go in with you.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm
Did anyone pick up the artifact?
What artifact?
It's just there.
The wooden one.
I think that's what's allowing them to go in, maybe.
Oh, wait, the base of the tree. Only 6 people got taken from that entire group.
And the entire group, 6 of them there, yeah.
Because we all had our hands on, right?
A whole bunch of them did, apparently. I don't know everything else that's gone on.
I mean, if Macarius, Cavan, and Data can't do it, then I don't know if anybody can.
Begins to sing again!
Oh, God.
Mass repel!
Repel. Oh no, reading my book. Repel. We were all lined up to go and get in there, and then I was the 7th, and then they all just vanished in front of me.
I was like 6 at a time.
There seems to be a limit of 6.
So we were hoping to send everyone.
We were hoping to spend 15. Well,
Cat came and I'm compelled to.
Oh yeah, 6 at a
Who were the
time.
first 6?
I came down, but
it's only 6 at a time.
So I think about 3 or 4 groups went through.
No, Yes. So Osric went on his own.
Misplaced
Then Osric, Morgan Bernard, McCain, O'Reilly.
So people that lost
Good
hanging
fighters.
from the trees.
It covers every angle though, doesn't it? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
A lot of them had purity, a lot of them had
A lot of them had purity.
Yeah,
And
there
They're going to be fine.
I gave one
potion
immunity.
resistance
Or they're not.
potions, poison potions
Macari.
being handed out.
Oh yes, Macari's went in as well.
Yeah, and I gave one of them immunity, so hopefully, and then we've got a lot of fighters that should cover all bases.
Still on the plane of existence, right? So you
Yeah.
can avoid walk out. You can avoid walk from any
I managed to talk to the
any other
spirit,
playable area.
find some information, so hopefully that will help them. I did
We'll
manage
just see him
to
pop
sort of
up
get
here.
information across the carrier
It went bad.
quickly.
That's fine. As long as he gets out.
We just hope.
Fucking go on it.
We hope and we wait.
What they do is cover all bases.
Godfrey, come on then! Come on! Strike down!
Now move his feet.
Double! Double tosser! You made him a double tosser? Fucking call me a torso. I don't know what that means. Two points of damage to your torso. Okay, great. Still standing. Fine. Double torso.
Oh, on it! It's not cool anymore. Is it not?
It's quad through.
Beauty. I like the simplicity. Tree spirit.
The power of it. Stay still.
There he goes.
Two behind.
Head's over here.
Double.
Go, Callum. Get him.
Praise be, you have Mikhail's light with you. You are strong enough. Oh, maybe we can stop this thing. Monster guys, you did absolutely fantastic. Yes.
Make your lines now, man.
Was that shield?
Shield front.
Oh, my son. So we can drop our
Get in, he's tiny.
Right. May we be strong enough.
There are so many in the forest, but there are none in the tree. Maybe we have time. You are all very strong. The next room's challenge shouldn't be difficult for you. It's half the tree split into chambers, see? This is the first. I think the second is... Yes, this way. Follow me.
You're walking around the staircase.
You heard what I heard.
What was that?
Sorry, you weren't here when I, arrived yesterday. It's been a bit...
Now, none of you are secretly angels, are you? I don't want to be surprised by that again.
No, I'm not an angel.
No, we didn't bring you radio, it's fine.
What did you
Secretly
say?
an angel. No, we didn't bring someone.
You guys did fantastic. So proud of you. I'm sorry that... Is that the camp, is it?
Oh, I'm sure he is, but not that type of angel. No, right. What would you like?
You said a radio, didn't you?
I did.
How do you know my boy's name? Please tell me he's okay.
He's gone on a mission. He's fine. He is one of my brothers.
By the power that you mashed
We don't have any warriors, we're peaceful. The rabbit will stand strong. I don't have faith in us anymore. So, what are we doing here?
This lever. It will open the way to the next chamber, but only the strongest among you could possibly pull it. Pray tell who is the strongest.
I can certainly try.
It's all arm wrestling.
No, it's not strongest.
A couple of people, maybe.
Try this. I had it me, clearly.
Tavern, give it a yank. Oh, go on, Theo. No, you're up. You're already there.
Let King go first.
He's better than me, he's stronger.
I know.
I know.
You have a crack first, though.
What's your strength? 3. Yeah, okay.
Go on!
Oh, no, the lever.
Oh, watch it. Oh, no.
Precious lever.
Look back.
Who can strike him down? Strike him pin. Strike him. Okay. Take his sword off him, please.
This isn't right. This isn't right at all. I thought you said
strike there.
Squad through.
Now it's left row call.
Right, pin him. Pin him. Take his weapons.
We need to heal him.
Oi, don't just there.
All right, so that was that.
The gaping wound, just there.
You're doing well.
You're fine, don't worry about it. You're just bleeding to death.
Right. Before we...
Yes, I'm putting
Wonderful,
him down.
lovely.
I'm not leaning over him, flashing what's underneath to kill one of them.
Each chamber has poisons.
Oi.
So we're poison as well.
He's got immunity to poison.
Yeah, he's wearing a thingy.
Oh, I think so. He said pull the lever and it'll open the door to the next chamber.
Alas, the lever has not been pulled.
Ah, so he was not strong enough. Is that what you're saying?
Possibly.
I'm so sorry. I thought he must have been to get this far.
Or it was trapped.
So you failed miserably.
I couldn't even move it. But I'm not very strong.
But why didn't you go nuts and start attacking people?
Trying to harm us.
Right. One. Same as me.
You're a mighty hero.
Oh, okay, I'll accept that.
Just not quite as strong as Calvin.
No.
Okay. So are we just basically saying who's stronger and we're going to try again, are we?
I can certainly try.
Who is incredibly strong yet has trained very little?
Oh, Pontiff.
Ah, that's ideal. And could I not suggest as well that you pull it without your weapon?
Boy.
In case of accidents.
Oh, yeah,
we could let Theo pull it, or Pontiff pull it, whichever. Pontiff. Should we scale up in strength?
Yeah, let's Pontiff try first.
I don't like it. Okay. If we're scaling up, shouldn't we know whether me or Theo is stronger? Right, arm wrestle.
Between Pontiff and Theo.
Hold on, I will be your ever ready.
Good luck to you, sir. And you.
3, 2, 1, go!
And human strength.
Triple.
Whoa! Sorry, superhuman strength is 10 versus 10. Wow.
Maybe they should both.
My hands really hurt!
I think they should both pull it.
No. First. As they were going on the door. Although there was slight wavering.
This old man must be so well exercised.
May I suggest that in your mighty, meaty companionship, you do it simultaneously, but you don't hold any weapons.
Well, I can't do anything to stop them. I've got two.
Also, shall we let Cavan be alive?
Yeah.
Can you wait till this is done?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Bad idea. Right. Didn't realise the old man's still strong. Sorry,
You should have just said Pontiff in on his own.
I can't believe we just witnessed.
Just bang on job, odd job.
Hey.
Body job lived up to his name again.
Oh, I've had a thought. Do we want more people?
Come on, tingly ting.
Well, I can't teabag him because I've got a clue.
We're going to let these unarmed gentlemen next. You need to be ready to pagger. Trample backwards.
I've only got one more.
Oh boy.
I'm going to save that for...
This is either going to go really well.
Right, I'm out of position.
I can always go out of my turn.
He's got actual immunity and purity, so he's like super
Double immune.
He's really not getting sick today.
He's taking no fucking chances.
You could sneeze right into his mouth.
It's the second person that slipped my throat. Oh, wait. Do you remember when Cameron then pulled on it in the camp?
Oh, we broke it.
Oh,
Is that meant to happen, Tree Spirit?
I suppose that definitely counts. Anyway.
Very well.
We've overpowered the lever. Pulled it so hard it's... Did we overdo it? Let's find out.
So Kira's now got a weapon.
80 souls to death for 11.
From now on, you should get some stuff. That tastes spicy.
You're right,
Just
gentlemen.
no one touch that.
Don't
touch this. Ever.
I think just maybe if we just leave it here, we can move on.
Yes.
Put it back.
Oh, no.
That's slightly position though. We want it over there.
Where's my staff?
Right. Yes. Mighty and strong indeed.
Good job, Ponte.
I suppose I should usher you into the next chamber.
Yeah.
Probably should.
I believe the entrance is over this way.
Time is not dwindling.
No blimey.
Yes, thank you very much, Macarius.
Here we go round.
You're not one.
I'm staying back this time.